One the funny people. That one you big. Morning time people, wow. Go on, you don't know it's your boy Nigel and we out here like normal, we out here again. So people are like 5 a.m. in the morning. 5 a.m. So right now everything pitch black around me. So me have a little flood lamp light here. One of them solar light there. So people, this is about 2 weeks now I'm not posting a video. Cause I was injured. The last video that I did, I went out on the reef with extreme fishers. So if you want to see that video there, you know, that's somewhere up here, so I will just go back and watch the last video that I post. Alright? So today now I'm up on the rock again. My foot not fully healed, but it getting there. So here we are going to know, we are going to hunt some fish today. You see me, I don't know what kind of fish we are going to catch, but I want to lock in for this. Alright? As a fisherman, we're out here. So remember, if you don't want to see what happened, the incident what happened, just check out the last video. I'm going to put it somewhere up on the stream and also down in the description. And another thing I want big up, True Braids. Them have the right braid. So if you want braided line, if you're anywhere in a Jamaica or anywhere in the world you want braided line, you need to link True Braids. Alright? When the sun come out, I'm going to show you the True Braid. So I use the True Braids 80 pound for me 8,000 Daiwa. Alright? So I want to lock in, I done the talking. So stay tuned. Probably I check in back when the sun come up. Alright? As a fisherman, look how I place that. That is it. I don't talk. I'm supposed to get bored. Enough I'm supposed to skip already, but I say go. Lock in. Ew. Come on, bite it, you know. Bomba, the wagwan. Like a line, wrap up. Yeah. Come in, big boy, and grab it. The sun has come up. Sun is up, I should say. Yeah. As a fisherman, we're out here. Try to see if we can hook up some fish in the morning here. Feel like me I get some pick. But let us see what we can bring in. Yes people, so I come on one different spot. Next man them there further around. I come here so before and I try. I come here so before and I catch some snapper. Some yellow tail and some dark teeth snapper. So I try around here today. And see what I can go on with by myself. We'll see if we're going to get no bite around here. One the funny people. That one is big. Coming up on back. Come here, what kind of fish? Blue runner. Wombat. Woo! Look at this. First fish. Yeah. That's the first one. Big jack. Yes, no man. I want tin tail. I wonder if I want him to come up. Yeah, man. I want your boy a fight. I need some dog to move from the spot here now. And as me throw out there against it, alright, me throw out there to test it. The boy grab it. Let's see if we can hook up no more. I'm gonna pick it. Alright people, so yeah, I broke my ducks. I catch a one jack. Good size one. So yeah, as a fisherman. So I say if we can't catch no more, we have the big line out there set. I put some crab on it. I have some crab on it, so I will see where I go pick it up. I'm there so with some shrimp on that one here in my hand. And that one here I catch. I don't see what go on, man. I don't see what go on. You see? So we there I say if we can catch some more and see if we can hook up even a bigger one. So we go and lock in and remember the right thing here as a fisherman. Outside, look now man. Woohoo! That a go on and what a go on. Woo! Bring in a fish. Something grab it up now man. We need at least one more fish. But give we a snapper this time. We get one jack. We get one jack, but we want one snapper though. Yeah man, we want one snapper for put on the dinner plate. We have a jack, you know. So just one. The one that we catch, you know, catch some more as yet. But the sun no reach that side as yet. So around here it's still kind of cool. The breeze not strong. The breeze not blow heavy. So the sea look alright, look nice, look flat. Look there. Yes, no man. Right? So we're here. I'll do the right thing. Some bird here fly too. Like them just a wake up. Them no hear early bird catching most worm. Look like them no hear like them late. come in. Big fish, you know. Whee! I don't know what go on with the fish them, you know. I did not get some bite earlier, but stop get bite, you know, them stop bite. Then just take off the bait without you feeling it. So I don't know what go on look like. I have to go move from that spot here. Go around. And try further around and see if me get no more luck. So now go and stay tuned and watch that. Want to catch you back around the next side and I'll catch you. Alright? Nothing more now go on right here, so. You have to get lame out. Right, one the funny people. Coming a bomba on yellow tail. Yeah. Look at that. Me nah bother move every time I say me I move. Me grab something. What is yellow tail? Woo! My! Him not that big still, but I want keeper. Easy yourself, you. Right, so we're gonna take him off and throw it there again. Yeah. Yellow tail. As I said, I go left, so the yellow tail, they hear me and say, "Here, what? I go bite your line before you left, you know." So, him not that big still, but I want to keep a same way. So, we are going to stick it out of that spot a little bit more longer and see if we hook up anymore. Alright? Yes, no man. So one boat I go to see with some whole heap of people on it like a diver them. Going around the rock there so. But we are going to hold it out right just a little bit more longer till we're ready. Alright? So I don't know if we catch it no more. I'm not going to see what's going on. Alright? Look no man. Look at that. I come through my line right here, so. The water here look deep. And look like a whole heap of fish there in it. Not to say fish not there in every side water. One left on me. People one left on me. Yeah. No. Huh? Chub? Yeah, you want him? Ah. So we catch a chub. It's a chub people. Look how I go. Bomba! Yeah! What me like them fish there? Yeah man. I give my bridging in. Right, so me gonna beat up and try again. So them dead. Yes no man. Drop my bait and my scissors you know. Go and stay there. I say me catch some other type of fish, alright? So I'm going to lock in. So I throw back my line out there again. Alright, one more there, funny. coming a bomba. Bomba. One more chop them. Yeah, yeah. We catch 3 chub. Another little hole, watch out. One more me go catch now. Watch out, me go up that one here now. But pick it, you know. Hold on, just hold on. Yeah? And then they are pick it. See, I get rough here now. Now grab it. People, look what I go on. Look now, man. So we're out here. Now see me clear. Out to see the water get rough here now. On the way around the so behind them rock there, so nothing you can see me on the camera. Can be able to see me with my eye, naked eye. Yeah, that is it. Water deep. I throw my line out there, but I'll know I'm not get no pick. The fish them not eat. You see? So I'm going to lock in till them start bite. I will start roll them in. Cause I don't know if fish I forget eat. It's no joke thing. Alright? Yes no man. I'm big cargo shipper still out at sea there. Out at deep. Yes no man. I skill off more on yellowtail. One jack. Just like that. See? jacket. Yeah, as a fisherman. People, I forgot my hat in the car and the sun out here hot. The sun out here turn up and I can't turn it down. And right now I'm thirsty. One bottle of water I bring with me and the water done. I'm well thirsty but guess what? Cool water. Whole heap of water when I can't drink. See how if I could all drink that, but I just stand on the rock and just jump right off. And just jump with my mouth open. But I can't drink the water at all. You should have can drink. Oh, they are still a fight with people. Sun well hot. Look there. Sun turn up. No joke. As a fisherman. It's the next bridge in the down there, so I try him luck. See what he can go on with. I catch 3 a chub. Yeah, 3 chub. I said I mean, yeah. But I don't like how them taste. So I just give me 3 of them because I don't like them at all. Them not taste good to me. Them have a funny taste. Right? So I don't really like them. So I just give me 3 of them. But them big, you know, they're good size chub them. When me want to catch snapper, parrot or jack. Yeah, them fish them I like. I don't like to chop them. If you don't like to chop them, comment down below. Alright? So we're there here. Lock in as a fisherman. Say sun hot. Bomba! The sun turn up. People, come like out that desert me I come from start. Yo! So you have to go find the nearest shop to get some water. The road bad. AC they on full blast. People, if you don't see me back in the next video, cause right now I'm tired and thirsty and thirsty. Want water. Water I want to drink now. Right? So big up on yourself. And also me I go take off some of the braided line off of me reel. Cause I put on too much braid on it. So I go take off some of the braid. You see me? Take off some of the braid off of the spool. Yeah man, and big up to all the people them way always teach me. Teach them! Big up on yourself. Alright? So, enough love and respect. And remember the people, if you don't want we link up and do some fishing, just link me now man. Yeah man, me get in the rod them now, so I'm ready for fishing you know. Alright? Yeah. Outside. See you in the next video.